Hello friends, you are on the Office Mal channel and we are making a waffle cake today. The recipe is complicated, so stock up the patience, pens and paper. If you are ready, we start. We need waffles, condensed milk. I always don't have enough condensed milk for a cake, so I add another 100-200 grams of butter there. We spread the cakes and voila! The waffle cake is ready. Finally, the shooting is over and I will eat my favorite cottage cheese muffins and shortbread cookies. See the previous videos for the recipes of these delicious treats. Like, subscription, bell. And write in the comments what is your favorite dish. Bye bye!